Hi, my name is Palak and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to do a high plank. Now, a high plank is a very important exercise that targets all the muscle groups in your body, ranging from your shoulders, tricep, biceps, your core, your legs, your glutes. So we really need to do it the right way, or else we won't get the maximum benefit of this exercise. So let's go. Now, the first step is to actually place your palms directly aligned with your shoulder. That means your arms needs to be in one straight line, not forward or not back. So once you place your palms, open the fingers there. All you got to do is get those knees off the floor. Like this. Yes, now most people get the hip up like this. Nope. That way we're not engaging our core, and do not place the hips down like this or arch your lower back. That's going to hurt your lower back a lot. Try to hold it in one straight line. Your neck shouldn't be here. Again, straight to the spine. So look forward a little bit. Tighten the core and keep holding this for as long as you can. Whew. My body is literally shivering. That's why it is a full body workout. And relax. Do let me know if you like this tutorial and what all tutorials would you like to see on my channel. I'll see you. Take care. Bye.